Welcome to the Federal Way Community Center Program Registration tutorial video. To get started, head to our website at itallhappenshere.org. Select Register from the top navigation bar. From here you can create an online account and browse our wide selection of programs currently available simply by clicking on a category, or you can search specific courses, categories, and even age ranges. Please make sure to sign in before browsing our programs to make for an easier checkout experience. If you need additional help enrolling, please make sure to contact us via phone at 253-835-6900 for assistance. Create an online account. To log in, select Sign and Register in the far right of the screen. If you are a returning user, simply enter your credentials. If you do not have an account, choose the Sign Up option at the bottom. This will bring you to a sign up page where you will create an account. Enter your information to the best of your ability. If you will be registering family members for programs as well, such as children or spouses, you must select Add New Member at the bottom. You must add each member individually. Searching for programs. To begin your search, select Search in the top navigation bar and select Activity Search. From here you may search by category, age range, keywords, and registration number, also known as activity number. Once you've entered the criteria for your search, select Search. Your results will appear in the center of the screen. From here you may select your desired program section. Please take note of the availability, dates, and descriptions for each program. A green dot indicates the course is available for registration, but be mindful that some programs may fill up much quicker. If the course is almost full, you will see the words, Almost Full next to the green circle. If the dot is red, the program is no longer available for registration due to becoming full, cancellations, or something else. If the dot is yellow, this means the program is no longer taking registrations and you will be placed into a waitlist if you'd like. Please note that by choosing a waitlist option, you are not guaranteed a spot and will only be contacted and charged if registrants cancel. To add a program to your cart for checkout, select the checkbox under Add to Cart. You may add more than one program to your cart at a time. Once you've made your selections, hit Add to Cart on the bottom of the screen. If the program requires a selection for a child, you will be prompted on the next screen to select which children you would like to enroll for each program. Checking out. Once you have selected all your programs, select your cart in the top right corner. The shopping cart allows you to check out and even pay old balances if you are a returning member. Select Proceed to Checkout. From here you will see a breakdown of new and old charges and the amount you will be paying today. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your payment information and select Continue at the bottom. Once you click Continue, this will initiate the payment authorization process and generate a confirmation receipt. You should receive the receipt in your email inbox within a few minutes. Now you are registered for your Federal Way Community Center programs. Make sure to check your program schedule so you don't miss any important dates, and check out our social media and website to stay up to date on closures, cancellations, and other events at FWCC. See you next time. It all happens here.